It's often wondered in the Sasquatch community that when a distant knock is heard shortly after a knock is made by a researcher, do Sasquatch just always carry a solid stick or rock with them for making knocks? Or are they capable of making these knocking sounds with their mouths? As they're larger and stronger, it stands to reason they should be able to make louder and more intense sounds. How might they do it? Just like we would do it. For example, clapping cupped hands over their open mouths. Tongue clacking. Lip smucking. Flicking their cheeks. Or smacking their jaws. Or maybe they just do use sticks and rocks.